Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about the importance of makeup in the everyday lives of girls. Makeup is not just about looking beautiful, it's also a way to express yourself and feel confident. For many girls, makeup is a part of their daily routine. A simple makeup look can help enhance natural features and create a fresh, polished appearance. One of the biggest benefits of makeup is confidence. When girls feel good about how they look, they often feel more comfortable in social situations, at work, school, or special events. Makeup is also a form of self-expression. Different colors, styles, and techniques allow girls to show their personality and creativity. Whether it's a natural everyday look or a bold glam style, makeup can reflect individual taste and mood. In addition, some makeup products offer skincare benefits. Most importantly, makeup is a personal choice. Some girls enjoy wearing it every day, while others prefer a natural look. In addition, some makeup products offer skincare benefits. Many foundations, BB creams, and lip products contain moisturizing ingredients and SPF protection that help care for the skin. The goal is to feel comfortable, confident, and happy with yourself. Makeup is more than just cosmetics, it's a tool for confidence, creativity, and self-care. What role does makeup play in your daily life? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content. See you in the next video.